Vangard. East.
Let's go, boys! Chat, welcome to Iceland. I'm lost again. We went to Austin, Texas. Me and I was lost. We went to Spain. Me and I was lost.
I'm gonna piss myself if you drink pee.
We went to Japan. I was totally lost. And guess what? Now I'm in Iceland. And I'm also totally lost again. Chat, I have nothing. I got my drone bag. I got my food. This is super important. Infinite water bottle that is all of a sudden spawns water. We have my chicken wrap from 3 days ago. And my half-eaten burger because I didn't want to eat all of it because it tastes a little bit weird. Not perfect. It smells something weird. Then we have my most important meal, the wok. This is super important. I have the wok from home. I have some more of this. This will keep me alive today. The wok, super important. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened with the burger to us. I think it's something about the air here. It smells like rotten eggs in the whole Iceland. No one told me Iceland smells like rotten eggs. Is it anyone that has been to Iceland before? I smell like fart. Sulfur, yeah, it smells horrible. It's because of the volcano. Sulfur in the water. Sulfur.
Arav won't do wrestling content anymore with you because Ginny disapproves.
Do you know, it's like a car rental place over there? Like rent a car. Okay, thank you. Okay, they didn't know. Apparently they eat shark here. Fermented shark is apparently really popular. Cars Iceland. Yeah, do have like a car. Thank you so much. So let's check. Bro, is this the car? Nah, bro. I didn't sign up for this small car. Yeah! Finally! Okay, chat, next up, let's find a place to eat, okay? So we're done quest number 1, get a car. We have a car until Monday. We need some food. Whales or hakari. Sigur Ros listening out and making some amazing, yeah, Sigur Ros. Wait, how do I use this? No, that's reverse. That's not good. This is drive. Oh. Okay, this car got some power on the low gear right there. Nice. I could be blue, I could be high on the sky. A Tommy's burger. Okay, this looks good. Hello. Off-road with classic burger, fries and soda. Classic burger, chicken burger, veggie burger, bacon burger, king burger. Okay, what about the king burger? But with some bacon. So that was easy. Actually, it's not too hard to communicate with these people. Do you know, is there any toilet somewhere? Yeah?
Your best chance is the hotel.
Hotel? Okay. Yeah. Is it okay that I put this here while I'm going to the toilet? Okay, thank you. Can I wait there?
Hello, do you serve horse meat here in the burgers?
Yo, boys.
Bro, how loud is it? Yeah.
Are you a YouTuber or something?
Yeah, it's like Twitch, like live streaming.
Is it something we can look up for? Oh, so we are not?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's okay.
Well, good luck.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Sorry? How much is it for like a cola or something? Yeah, perfect.
You can have it.
I can have it?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Oh my God, what's going on today? Well, wow, I'm blessed, chat. Oh my God, look at the place. Type 1 if you want that, type 2 if you had an erection for the last 2 days. Let's see where we need to go now. Nice! Okay, so straightforward. This will be hell of a ride, apparently. It'll take some time. Ay. Oh, that smells horrible. Oh, it's like egg farts. It's absolutely horrendous. Okay, let's explore. Let's see how it looks.
Iceland.
I can't. Bro, that is boiling water. Can you see it? Please don't come here. Look at that, bro. Oh my God. It's like boiling up. That is actually Wonka. Is that danger? Okay. Let's be a little bit careful. We might shoot up. No! Not, is this geysers? Check any 07 from this? How is that possible? I thought you could take a bath. Isn't that true? Kryssvor. This is Kryssvor. This one I would like to take a hot tub bath in it. It looks so nice. Hetta! Danger! Hetta! Hetta! Hetta danger! Chad, where's the next location we should go?
Vangard, stick to the tourist locations if you value your life. Lol.
Of course. Oh, there it is, Grindavik. It is straight in front of me. Okay. Here even goes a volcano shuttle. I think I am at the volcano place right now. Ooh. Chad, let's look at volcano. This is what I'm coming here for, to look at lava with the drone. I just have to know where it is. I might have to pay for parking here, but I'm just gonna stand there with a drone because we can't walk today. I think this is the place where it's Volcano. Let's see. Vangard it is. Okay, Chad, let's try to fire up the drone here and see what happens.
Home point updated.
Let's go! Woo! Volcanic protector man! Yeah. Back. The boys double this place. Wow. You just come here with a plane and it's like, okay, the car is acting up right now. Listen. Yeah, okay, it works. It's like,
Vangard, we like new locations like Iceland. IRL, we are living vicariously through you while we are working behind our 3 monitors, etc. LOL.
Let's check out the blue lagoon. Maybe we can take a swim, who knows? Wow. Oh, bro, this water looks so hot. It doesn't say you can't touch the water here. Yo, bro, it's actually looking blue. That is actually pretty cool. What? Oh, it's cold. It isn't even warm. Bro, this falls. It's cold. Getting scammed there. And my hands is getting swollen as well. Look at this blue lagoon thing. Apparently it's really expensive to take a bath there. 1,200 kroners. If you ask me, that's too expensive. We can go and see. It looks at least. This is actually pretty cool though. It is like, look how blue it is in the middle. Wow. Let's check here if it's hot. Oh, Joe, bro, it is hot. Oh, nej. Oh, bro. You know, it is hot. Wow, that is actually cool.
Dad, get it.
Let's feel this as well. Here is even hotter maybe. It's maybe too hot then. Okay, here wasn't too hot. What? Here is not hot. It's only hot over there. Okay, maybe this is hot. Oh, it's super cold. It's insanely cold. There was only one place that was hot. Ah, so you're just basically taking a bath in water, and that's it. In hot water, and it's blue. Okay. Okay, it does look pretty chill though. It does. But it's like, it's not worth 1,200 kroners to just get in there and take a bath.